Hey everyone, check out the Northroad Camping Chair for your very next big outdoor adventure. This portable chair weighs only 5.2 pounds, yet easily supports 225 pounds. You can set it up quickly and use the included carrying bag for effortless transportation anywhere. The high-quality Oxford fabric is breathable, and the thickened steel frame ensures a stable seat. It handles bad weather perfectly because the durable materials drain water and dry out very fast. Bring this versatile chair to the beach, the park, or even your own private backyard patio. Enjoy maximum comfort and total convenience during every hiking trip or fun sporting event this season. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.